Hi, my name is Mehanni, and I'm really happy about the fact I'm coming to Dunedin in February, the 10th and the 11th, to deliver education. And it's mainly about round water. So on the 10th of February, I'm going to be delivering 4 workshops in one day. I'm delivering stir-fried noodles, which is a shallow-based workout using the noodle. I'm also doing dynamic dumbbells, which is a shallow water workout using 2 dumbbells. And then we're also going to do deep to the core, which is a deep water workout, just using 1 dumbbell, no buoyancy belt. How cool is that? And we're also going to do a thorough in-depth lecture with loads of video content called Liquid Form, which is all about how arm moves actually performed in the water, so that you're a much better communicator when you're teaching on pool deck. Great day, and it's fairly inexpensive. So let me just double check my notes. It's $300 for the full day of education there, and you also get CPD points. Then the second day, the 11th, we're doing Gymstick H2O, which is the gymstick education in the water. And I tell you what, when I have to film the gymstick workouts every month, and they are full on. It's probably one of the hardest things I have to do, just psych myself up. So if you've got fit participants, this is the perfect class for them. It doesn't matter whether they're familiar with water or not, because the stick actually has its own resistance in the water as well. And that's also $300. And if you want to book in for the 2 days, there is a discount, and it's $525. So it's not $600 all up. So great 2 days. I don't come to Dunedin and deliver Aqua workshops very often. I think the last time was about 5 years ago. So not to be missed out. I hope to see you there.